Hello, I have just a quick video to show you. Some people were asking how I go about making my bows, and I want to show you what I use. So these are what's called bow makers, and I have had them for years. I got them on, I think it was Create and Craft at the time, and there was also one came free in a magazine, and they do all work together. And there is actually, I know there's a big one on the market now. If you're a person who likes putting bows in your parcels and stuff, that would be ideal. But these are the three that I use, and I just wanted to show you a quick video on using different types of stuff with them. So I have made, with this little one here, I have used the cotton twine and made this cute little bow. It's like a double bow, one bigger than the other, but it all ties into one, and it's really handy and really nice on a card. So I'll show you how to do it. Don't cut just work off the reel, don't cut it off yet. So using the smallest one, even if you only buy one, you'll still be able to do this. Just use the inner lines. This defines the width of your bow. This part is the part you use to hold your ribbon or string, whatever you're using, in place. And you just simply lock it into one of these, either right or left, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed. And I'm going to go into the third hole at this side and the third at the other side. And then, because I want to make it a double bow, I'm going to go back in to the second at this side and the second at the other side. And that's it. All you do is snip off a wee bit, pop it through this central circle here. This is where you tie all your bows, no matter what size or what shape or no matter what you're using. Pop this one out of the holder and just tie a knot. And because it's string, I'm going to tie a double knot. Generally, if it's ribbon, the single knot works. So just pull your ties to the front, if that's where you want them, and just simply hold it on and slide it off. And there you have your wee quick bow using the string. Just feather about with it and just add your glue to the back and you're set. So that's two of those. You can also make a lovely wee tiny ribbon using this small one or the next one up, depends on which one you have. I'm using this lovely lemon lime twist ombre ribbon. Pop it into the holder, and then I'm just going to go two at the front, or two to one side and two to the other. Get it to go from it. Not two, yep. Just remember, that's always your centre, so equalise it at either side. So you just simply again chop off a bit, pop it in the central hole, round the back. Now can you imagine if you had a load of these to make for wedding cards or something, you would get through them so quick rather than trying to do it on your own. And there you have it. And even when it's on this, you can use it as your measurement for cutting, so that you know you have cut your tails off the same size. And you can leave it sitting out or bring it down. If you're just putting it in a wee card, you might want it sitting sideways. Just make sure and pull it tight. Sometimes I forget to pull it tight enough. And there you have another wee bow. One going sideways, one going long ways. So we'll move on to the middle size one. And I want to show you that you can actually make two-tone. So I've got these lovely ribbons, and I want to do one on top of the other. One's a Christmas and one's not. It's just a finely woven ribbon, and it's called Fresh Fig. So if you wanted to make a ribbon that has two colours in it, just make sure to keep your central smaller ribbon. Obviously you're safer using one smaller so you'll see it. Say you had a wee plain red and a white ribbon would be nice. Keep it central the whole time you're working with it. Slide it up into the holder. Doesn't matter which one of those you use. Bring it round and just make sure that you're keeping it, sorry I'm going out of picture there again. Make sure that you're keeping it central all the time. So hold it good and taut, and even when you're going over to cut it, keep it well lined up. Snip off, hold it, just hold it steady, because you have two ribbons, you want to get a good grip on it. put 2 through the central hole. Again, keep it, when you're going round this side, make sure it looks the way you want to look. Slip it in there. Just make sure you pull it, just, you know, you want the front of it looking nice for you. Again, slide it in there. Sorry, I've done that already. Slide that out. It is a wee bit more awkward when you have 2 ribbons. And tie your bow. And you know you want that facing that way and that one facing that way, so do that now. And it gives you, it's very bulky now, isn't it, because of these 2 ribbons I've chosen. It is possible, but it's bulky. And again, slip off. That one seems okay. And there you have your bow. Again, pull that tight. And another tip is, which I should have done there because it's a slippy bow, before you tie that back knot, put a wee piece of double-sided sticky tape, just a wee slip, and that holds that all steady for you. So I honestly just use this bow maker just to make bows, quick bows from my cards. But there you have it. I don't even like that, but it is possible to do it. Just pull it a bit tighter. So that's that one. Now the last one I want to show you is the big one. Just to show you can get big bows, I've used this lovely spotty ribbon this time, and I've made a double bow. So I'll show you how to do that. This ribbon is perfect for tying bows. It's lovely and soft and pliable. So with your big one, just go in to one of the holders, wrap it round, and wrap it round again. So we're going round twice. Keeping your ribbon on the reel, don't need to cut yet. And you just know when you get to this side, then snip down about there. That gives you a bit to work with. Pop it into the hole again. This is a stretchy ribbon, so don't hold it too tight. I'm struggling to get I have a new camera and I'm struggling to get a decent holder at the minute, so sometimes I'm inclined to be at a bad angle, so I hope you can see this okay. I'm working on it, we're working on it, my husband's helped me out here. Hopefully he'll have something soon. So just trim your edges off. Again, flip it over. If you want your ties coming down the ways, pull them down now and use that to pull your ribbon off. And then you just separate the 2 loops and at either side, and that gives you that lovely wee ribbon with the double bow. So pretty nice. And don't forget also, you can actually colour your ribbon. I have navy gingham check, and I'm going to colour it with the red because I love gingham at Christmas time. Just run that along, and there you have it's nearly looks like a black and red now, which is nice. So remember, you can colour your ribbons too. And this I made a bow out of this the other day. Quick and simple. Pop it in, round. I mean, you get them done so quickly. Pop it in, round, keep it taut so it's not slipping about. I think the most important thing is your tie. Tie it tight enough to hold it. Just pop it in there, pull it up through the centre, take this one off the holder and tie a bow or a knot, and just pull it really tight. This is some ribbons are just better than others for making bows on the bow maker. So you'll know yourself as you can pick these up on eBay or Amazon. Lots of places sell them now, you know, but I don't know if the actual company still sells them that made them. So there's a quick and easy bow. So I hope that helps you and encourages you to get yourself a wee bow maker. If you do make a lot of wee gifts and you put bows on them, it will save you a bit of time and a bit of hassle, from tiny small ones to bigger ones. So there you have it. Hope that was in camera, and hopefully will be sorted soon. Bye.